Nikki. Hey y'all, welcome back. So we're gonna jump straight into styling this TWA right quick. These are the products that I'm using to style my hair. If you want to know more about these products, click the link at the end of the video. So right now I'm just damping my hair dry because I just washed it. The castor oil to moisturize my hair. I like to use the lock method, liquid, oil, and conditioner. Just gonna rub this in really good and make sure everything is nice and oiled. Next, we're going to take our curl activator cream and rub this into our hair really good. I like to use a generous amount of this. And if you're not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram real quick at naturally Nikki 20. Don't forget the underscore. Now with your fingers, you're just going to rub your hair really good in a circular motion so that you can get those curls to pop. That circular motion is very important. Yes, queen, make them curls pop, honey. So next we're gonna take our Shea Moisture Anti-Frizz Spray and we're just gonna spray that all over really good so that you know, we don't get no frizz. Who likes frizz? Nobody. So now I'm just going to take my brush and brush down the tapered sides in the back and my sideburns right quick. So as you can see, it looks a little white, but that's just the activator cream and mixed with the castor oil and the shea spray. That'll eventually go away. I like to go ahead and just put on my makeup and finish getting dressed. By the time I'm finished with that, it'll be all dry and much better. And if you see that it's still not dry, then just go ahead and damp some of it off with a towel. It's fine. It will not look bad. But anyways, guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram.